Hi everyone, learn how to tie easy center knot head wrap with ashoke. I'm working with 4 layers. I started by folding it into 2, then arrange it. After arranging it, I'm going to place it on my head, then take the measurement. The measurement I'll be working with is 50-50. See how I'm measuring it? Then I'm going to arrange it, place it properly, take the remaining to the back and cross it. See how I'm crossing it? After crossing, I'll still arrange it again, take the remaining to the front. So I'm going to open one side, fold the edges in, use my hand to hold it, open the other side, fold the edges in properly. After folding it, I'm going to take it up. Just watch my hand. Take one side up first, place it on my head and arrange it. So this tip here, I'm going to use one of my hands to hold the tip. Then this other side, I'll repeat the same thing. Take it up, place it on my head and arrange it. Then I'm going to hold the tip, join both of them together by knotting it at the center there. See why it's called center knot? I'm going to knot it twice, then the remaining I'll tuck it in properly. Okay, so please, if today is the first time you are coming across my video, please don't forget to share this video and also like it. As you are liking it, you're helping this video to be visible to people. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. So after knotting it in, I'm going to start working with one side. One side, I'll carry it up and pleat it, taking the pleat from up to down. Okay, I'll start by making a rough pleat, then I'll arrange the pleat. So the remaining part here, I'm going to tuck the tip there in. After tucking it in, I'll use pin to secure it. So once I'm done with one side, I'm going to take the other side, take it up and start to form a rough pleat first. From up to down, exactly the same thing I did in the other side. So once I'm done forming the rough pleats, I'm going to arrange the pleats, okay? Now, after arranging the pleats, I'm going to move my hand towards the tip there, form a rough pleat too, then find a way to tuck it in at the back there. Once I'm done tucking it in, I'm going to secure with a pin, okay? So once I'm done securing, I'm going to arrange it properly, okay, and also arrange the back too. Okay, so this I'm going to fold it in, just what the way I'm folding it in, then I'm going to use pin to secure that place. So after securing, I'll still arrange it again, then I am done. You can see this style is very easy, it is very simple for you to achieve. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time here, and to my returning viewers, to my subscribers, I say thank you for all that you are doing. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, why not join this beautiful family to also learn how to tie your head wrap by yourself. See you in my next video. Bye.